That's me.
What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be doing kind of a little different video than I've... What the f? What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be doing kind of a different video, and a video that I've been wanting to do for quite a while, and that is face tuning my followers' selfies. I've seen so many YouTubers do this video, and I'm just so interested. So about a week ago, I tweeted out, told you guys to send me in your selfies. I got so many. I really did not think that many people paid attention to me and was going to help me out with the video, but I got over 350. So let me know if you guys want this to be a series. Obviously, I cannot face tune all of these right now, so I picked a few, and yeah, let's get on to the video. So I'm going to be putting the screen record right here, so let's just get on to the video. So the first person that I'm going to be face tuning, her name is Gabriella, and this is her right here. Some of my pictures on Instagram either are face-tuned a lot, like a ridiculous amount, like unhealthy amount, and then there's other pictures where I don't face-tune like at all. So for this picture, we're not going to need that much, so this would be more of an easier one to do. But the first thing that I like to do first is to smooth out my skin, and she already has pretty clear, nice skin, but I'm just going to just tap, tap, tap. I tap and I swipe slightly. Kind of just depends on how much help I need that day. So we're just going to do that. That looks good. Okay, the next thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to whiten her eyes, which her eyes are already pretty white. That's like one of the things that I do all the time, because it literally can just make the photo look so different. But make sure that you don't like over white. Like make sure it's like a normal, because there is some girls, there's actually a lot of girls that overly white their eyes and like detail their eyes, and it's just so noticeable. Like you look like a freaking cartoon character. Like why? So looking pretty good to me. We're gonna do a little bit more on that one. A little bit over here. Perfect. That's basically what I do. And then the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take the details tool, and I usually will drag over my eyelids just to make it a little bit more pop, and my lashes, and then just drag over her eyebrows. That looks a little harsh, so we're just going to erase it. Like I said, literally every single picture is completely different. It depends on how the picture is and how the picture looks, depending on if I do all these steps or if I don't do all these steps. So, looks pretty good to me. So we're going to do that. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to give her some highlight. So I'm going to be going to tones. I'm going to zoom in right here. To the picker, I really want this. Why is it not giving me a really bright color? Wait until we find the color that I like. Basically, you just drag your finger around until you pick the color that you want. I really want this extremely bright color. Like, why is it not giving it to me? Okay, so I'm going to go like that, and I want it a little bit brighter, so we're going to come over here and just make it a little bit more brighter. Zoom out, see if this color... Why did it turn gray? We're just going to go up to the normal shade that I use. We're going to go over here. Perfect. She already has some, like, inner corner, like, eyeshadow going on, so I'm just going to pop that a little bit more. I'm also going to give her a little tiny bit of nose highlight. That's what I like to do. Drag it down the bridge of her nose. Let's see. This. I think it looks pretty good to me. If you know where that's from, I love you. If you don't, what's wrong with you? I'm doing a little bit of under the eyebrow highlight as well. Sometimes I do this, sometimes I don't. I think it looks cute with this picture. Basically, she's already pretty, so there's really not much that I can do with this photo. I'm going to run the whitening tool in the background because it's just going to pop her photo a lot more. I don't really know if it's going to let me, how much it's going to let me do around the little pretty emoji that she has going on. But I'm going to try my best. Like, look at that. Like, instantly, girl. So I do this with a lot of my photos, actually, especially if there is a white background, because it just makes you pop so much freaking more. But you have to be careful. Like I say, people overly whiten their background, or they accidentally will get it on their hair or their clothes, and it's just so obvious. Basically, I feel like the point of Facetune is to like make yourself look better, but not make it obvious that you made yourself look better. So this is the before. Like I said, she's already pretty. There's really not much that I can do with this photo. And then here's the afro. There literally is not a difference because she's already naturally pretty. But I think the photo looks definitely a lot better because she just pops more with the whitened background. So if you guys are watching this video and need tips and tricks, I recommend whitening your background because it does make such a big difference. The next one that I'm going to be doing is we are going to do this girl right here. Let's find her name. I'm going to click on the picture so I can see her name real quick. She's another one that's naturally pretty and I hate her because, like, why is she following me? I should be following her because she's gorgeous. But, yes, Jolene, I don't know how to pronounce your name. I'm so freaking sorry if I just butchered the crap out of it. I'm a horrible person, I know. But, yeah, she's naturally pretty. I kind of hate her, but it's fine. So let's see what we can do. I feel like all these people are just, like, pretty, literally, in all these pictures. A lot of you guys, like, I didn't really realize how many attractive fans I have, and, like, that might sound a lot of offensive, like, oh, you thought we were all ugly? No, I just really did not understand. Like, there's so many pretty girls that follow me, and I'm like, why do you follow me? Like, I literally should be following you guys. Like, you're so much prettier than me. But we got homegirl right here. So, like I said, she's naturally pretty, and her background's already cute. Like, I wish I had, like, I wish my walls were not gray. I wish they were white. So I'm a little annoyed that my walls are gray. And I'm a little annoyed that yours are white and mine are gray because you just have perfect selfie lighting. Also, her top's really cute. But, yeah, she's another one where it's kind of hard because she's naturally freaking pretty. So, we're going to do what we did the other one. Her skin literally needs barely any. I'm just going to run around the nose a little bit. Barely. Just a tad. Just do a little bit on her forehead. Okay. So, we got that. Next, I'm going to details like I did to the other one. We're going to detail her eyebrow a little bit. Her makeup's really cute, so I'm going to play with her eyeshadow. Yes, looks good. So, we're going to play with this eyeshadow. And I'm going to go to tones, pick her. We're going to pick up this little purple shade that she has going on. And then I'm just going to make it just a little bit more vibrant. Slightly. It's just going to pop her makeup. See, it just didn't really do that much, but it just made a slight difference. Same with the other eye, but not too much on the other eye because there's just like a natural shadow on that side of the face. Okay, so that looks good to me. Now we're going to mess with this orange color because I like her eyeshadow. It's really cute. And then I'm, again, just going to tap over this orange ever so slightly. You see before, bam, it's so much more vibrant after. Same to the other side, but again, barely any on that side because we don't want it to look very, very obvious. Okay, so next thing that I want to do is we're going to do some inner corner highlight, and I want to do like an eyebrow bone highlight because I think that would look really good on her. So I kind of like that color, so let's see if it goes with her skin. Let's see, do I like that? A little bit. Okay, and then I want this actually to be a little bit more brighter, so I'm going to do a little bit on her eyebrow. Yes, very slightly. Like, there is some YouTubers that Facetune a lot. I'm one of those ones where I don't think that I do too much. I just do enough to, I do like the bare minimum. And like, all of you guys are naturally pretty. It's kind of freaking hard. I kind of wish people would give me a challenge and like do like really, really like horrible pictures and like see if I can do it. Maybe I'll do that for like the next one. Tell you guys to like send me like really bad pictures, like the worst lighting pictures, because sometimes I'm really, really good with that, like messing with the lighting. So that looks good, pretty good to me. So see, homegirl's already naturally freaking pretty. That literally just looks like I did absolutely nothing towards her. Okay, and then I'm gonna see if I like the detail over her eyes. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't like when people detail the eyes. Yes, I kind of like that. Okay, so yeah, I literally hate how she's naturally pretty. So, next what we're going to do is, again, whiten the background. We'll go over here. Whiten it. Here's before. Here's after. Here's before. Here's after. I kind of want to contour her nose a little bit because I watched a James Charles video and he contoured a nose, so I want to see if I know how to do it. So we're going to attempt that right now. What the hell did I just do? She really does not need her nose contoured at all, but we're just gonna have fun. I'm trying to make this a little bit more exciting because all of y'all are like naturally pretty and I hate it. So we're gonna go down the side of her nose. This is what James Charles said to do. That looks really freaking harsh, but he said to, after you do that, this is probably gonna be so bad. Okay, now we're gonna add a little bit of highlight to the nose, the nostril area. I'm gonna go into picker and I'm gonna pick this really bright white color that she has because I like it. And I'm just going to go down her nose, a little bit more in the inner. Oh my god, I just messed up what I just do. A little bit more in the inner corner. So yeah, she literally did not need this whole nose contour. She already has a cute nose, but I just wanted to see if I could do it, and I did it. So the next person that we have is Luke, and Luke right here already has great skin, so fuck you. But we're gonna do kind of like the same process. I'm gonna start going in with the smoothing tool, which Luke literally does not need that at all, because drop a skincare routine, sis, please, thank you. Because my skin is actually breaking out so much, it's actually annoying. Just gonna do a little bit of that. Yeah, Luke is definitely not going to really need any Facetune because Luke already looks nice. But I'm going to go in again, kind of like the same process. I might speed up in this part and just like do like a little like of me like editing like really quickly. I might do that. But yeah, so we're just gonna go over detail the eyes. I really like these lashes. Luke, please let me know what these lashes are. Okay, so we got that down. So now also, Luke already has pretty white eyes already. I don't know if he edited this picture before or what. But I'm just going to whiten them just a tad bit more. And then I also kind of want to, Luke already has pretty eyes, but I like to mess around with, I like editing my other friends' pictures like eyes, because like I have blue eyes, there's really not much that you can like edit on blue eyes, so we're just going to, oh that's so cute, we're just going to lighten Luke's eyes a little bit. Sorry Luke if you do not like this, I apologize. Look at them. They just make them so cute and hazel. Luke, you already have pretty eyes, so don't think that I think that you're ugly or something, but yeah, just a little slightly. Now, we're going to go and add some highlight. So we're going to go, I think I'm going to grab from right here because why can I not grab from right there? It like never, like that is like the perfect spot, but it's like not letting me grab from right there. So I'm going to do this and just go up a little bit lighter like that. Luke already has some nose highlight going on right here. Little tip of the nose. We're going to brighten the inner corners up a little bit. So yeah, again, this is another one that didn't really need that much editing because Luke, you already have nice skin. Like this picture's already nice. Your eyelashes already look good. I need y'all to send me some treacherous photos so it could be a challenge. There's that one, and then the last one that I'm going to be doing, we have Cassie, which, Cassie, I kind of think you, like, don't we kind of look alike? Don't we kind of look similar? I don't know why I'm showing the phone when the phone's already on the screen, but we kind of look similar, Cassie girl. So, again, Cassie's already pretty. Literally, you guys are already pretty. Like, I don't understand. So again, the first thing that we're going to do is we're just going to smooth Cassie's skin. A mixture of like swiping motions and patting motions I like to use because I don't like to just go over and swipe because there's a lot of people that will go over and swipe the crap out of their face with the smooth tool, which you definitely should not do. And then I always like to smooth like just my skin so the picture all looks like one. So we got that. Again, didn't really do that much because Cassie already has really nice skin. So the next thing that I like to do, I'm glad that Cassie is wearing lipstick because I like to, oops, wrong one. I like to smooth my lips out so they just look nice and they don't look all crusty and like the lines in them, because especially with liquid lipstick, it's really freaking hard. So it's just gonna get rid of the lines on the lips. Some people like this. I personally don't like to be able to see the lines. So if you like to see the lines, then you can just keep it. You can totally disregard that whole entire step. My phone's tweaking. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to whiten her eyes. Again, she has really pretty blue eyes. Like, Cassie, we kind of literally look similar. You could be like my cousin or something. Got any family in Iowa? Because, like, that's where my dad's side's from. Okay. Cute. And then I'm going to go over with the detailing tool just to detail her eyelashes a little bit. Sometimes I like to go underneath the eye too, and then I'm just going to slightly tap on her blue eyes. They're so pretty. We have really pretty similar color eyes. Okay, I'm pretty sure these are your real eyes. They don't look like they beat contacts. So what did I just detail? I'm a mess. I'm literally a mess, so. And then I'm just going to go over her eyebrow real quick just to darken it just a tad bit. And then we're going to go in and just highlight inner corner brow highlights and all that stuff. I'm also going to detail around her nose piercing. You can see it in the picture, but I like to just kind of make it a little bit more vibrant because not a lot of people know that I have my nose pierced, just because this is my selfie side and I got it pierced on this side because I'm stupid. But yeah. I'm going to zoom into her nose because, oh, look at that, girl. And I'm going to click tones. I'm going to click the picker. Yeah, what did I just do? I just made her nose pink. I'm going to click the picker and get that bright yellow shade. I like when there's like a hint. That's what I like about like my selfies is I always try to make like my nose really, really bright because then whenever I'm face tuning later, it'll be easy to like, you know, add these little things there. So I'm just going to tip it on her nose a little bit. Cassie's before. She's already pretty. Here's her after. Barely any difference because she's already pretty. Y'all need to stop being pretty, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys like this type of video, if you guys want to see more, or just let me know if there's any type of like trends going around on YouTube that you guys want to see me do, because I'm literally always late to all the trends. Like this video was literally done by YouTubers so long ago, so I really don't know why you guys want to see this from me, but I did it. I'm sorry if I either edited your picture if you're any of these people, I edit it too much or I edit it too little. Y'all are just pretty that it's like, it made it so freaking hard for me to like actually do it. So I think the next round, if I do it, I don't know if they edited these people edited any part of their picture. It looked like it in a way, just very, very slightly. So I think the next time I'm going to make everyone do like hella unedited photos and like bad lighting, or like give me specific things that you want to change, because all of you guys like just sent these to me. No one gave me anything specific that they wanted changed. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. Turn on my little bell down there so you'll be notified when I post a video, because YouTube's algorithm does not always tell you when I post a video. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.
Been living this lavish, yes, I've been had it. I'm a real princess, these bitches is cat.